Here you go. I need you to try it. I need you to try it. I need you to try it. Yeah, you did so good. Good job, Isaiah. Good job. Yeah. Yeah, you want to get the ball? Let's try it one more time. Here you go, Isaiah. Here. One more time. Here's the ball. Okay. Mama's going to hold it for you now so you don't take it apart. And now I want you to put it in there. Yes! You did a good job! Woo! Now tear it apart! Wow! Yeah. Good job. Very good job.